There's a certain phenomenon that not even the English language has words to describe. So much so that the only way you can tell it is through another language, Japanese. Imagine warm, golden rays of sunlight streaming through the trees, peeking out between leaves, and scattering into shimmering flecks that dance across your skin. This word can only be described as
Komorebi,
which means sunlight filtering through trees.
But behind this beauty lies a masterpiece of science in your brain. From the way light bends around leaves, to the way your eyes focus those scattered rays, and how your brain ultimately turns chaos into calm. When sunlight passes through the gaps in leaves, it undergoes a combination of diffraction and scattering. Each leaf can act like a tiny aperture, causing diffraction, the bending of light waves around obstacles. The internal structure of leaves can also refract light, bending it slightly due to the changes within its optical density. Moreover, as sunlight interacts with the particles in the air or the irregular surfaces in the leaves, it scatters, a phenomenon known as Rayleigh scattering. This scattering breaks up the sunlight into countless different paths, creating the dynamic of shadow and brightness. All these changes occur before the sunlight even hits your retina. But when the light does hit your retina, it hits this thin layer of neural tissue in the back of your eye, which contains specialized cells called photoreceptors, which consist of rods and cones.
Rods are sensitive to light intensity and help you perceive brightness and contrast, whereas cones help you detect color and fine detail.
These cells convert light into electrochemical signals through a process called phototransduction, where photons trigger changes in the photopigments, creating a cascade of neural activity. These signals travel through the optic nerve that then go to your visual cortex. Your brain doesn't just receive raw data, it actively interprets it through processes like spatial filtering, pattern recognition, contextual inference. Your brain organizes the chaotic input into coherent, stable images. So the next time you see light filtering through trees, take a moment. You're not just seeing light, you're witnessing physics, bending light rays, biology, decoding signals, and your brain weaving it into something eye-catching. Komorebi isn't just a feeling, it's your mind and your body working together to create chaos into calm.